इतना सफर है कुछ होने में और बहुत कुछ होने में। इतना सा फर्क है एक बार सोच के छोड़ देने में और लग के कर दिखाने में। मान लेने में कि जिंदगी ऐसे ही कटेगी और सुबह 4 बजे उठ के सोचने में कि अभी तो बस शुरुआत है। किसी मैगजीन को हाथ में लेने में और उसी मैगजीन के कवर पेज पे होने में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वीआईपी सीट में और उसकी पिछली सीट में इतना सा ही तो फर्क है। वो जिसका मैदान ही खुला आसमान है वही कल जमीन पर तो था। पूछोगे तो बताएगा वो पंछी कि एक दायरे में सिमटने में और पूरी दुनिया को दायरा बनाने में बस इतना सा फर्क है। इतना कितना है? इतना है या इतना है? जो नापेगा वो जाने कि जहां धरती और आसमान मिलते हैं, नानकुर से दूर, अगर मगर शायद से दूर, वहां भी दोनों में फर्क बस इतना सा है। धरती और सातवें आसमान में फर्क बस इतना सा है। ये एक अंतर प्रेरणा है। ये हमारी, आपकी, हम सब की अंतर प्रेरणा है। एक कदम, एक छलांग, एक बाजी, एक गहरी सांस और एक ललकार खुली हवाओं में कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन फिजाओं के लिए, कि हाँ मैं बना हूं उन ऊंचाइयों के लिए जो ऊंची तो बहुत है पर नामुमकिन भी नहीं, क्योंकि मुमकिन और नामुमकिन में बस इतना सा फर्क है। धूप छांव में फर्क बस इतना सा है। तो बस चलिए फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया के साथ ये फर्क मिटा देते हैं। फ्रेंचाइज इंडिया, 20 years of ideas.
Good afternoon, one and all. Franchise India welcomes each one of you to another exciting episode of Business Opportunity Over Chai webinar series. This is a digital representation of the brand so that you get a correct and complete understanding from us. Franchise India helping all international and national brands for their franchisee expansion with our partners as well as our offices in 70 plus cities. We have helped thousands of investors in getting the business advice from us as well as the right selection of the brands. And we are among top 10 management consulting companies in India. We welcome management team of Franchise India, Gaurav sir, along with our second panel member, Sonia ma'am. During the course of the webinar, we'll try to give you correct and complete understanding about the brand, how they operate, what are the financials as well as other aspect of the brand. The brand which we are presenting you today is Shawarma Craving. It comes under a low cost opportunity where you can start your business within a capacity of 5 lakh rupees. And it is our privilege to welcome Mr. Shoaib Sheikh, who started his journey for this brand. Thank you so much, Shoaib sir. आज आपने हमें join किया. We would like to hear from you about you and about your journey. Thank you so much. Over to you, sir. I'll just share my PPT with you.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Over to you, sir.
Hello, good morning. Good morning, Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am.
Good morning, Shruti.
I'm here pleased to tell that Shawarma Cravings is a brand. My journey towards the Shawarma Cravings is I used to work in Dubai for 1.5 years, and due to some concerns, I have back to India and I started my own company, and it's running from almost 3 years, and it is running very good, fine, and giving the good profitability. So I thought to know about Swapna and her selling capability of product. So I have reached Swapna and have told about my brand. And now I am like to start in a franchise mode. That's my journey, man. Okay, next slide. We have started our first venture in Nellore, which is Andhra Pradesh. from here itself, I'm starting from 3 years. I'm working in. I started in shawarma cravings, and we are getting the good profitability, and due to good taste and having the price value is less. In another cities, the price values will be little bit high, but we are giving for a less cost so that each and everyone can afford our product. Our brand invites entrepreneurs who have the passion for serving good food and have smiles on a customer face, and will provide to the franchises ingredients, masalas, and everything we will be providing. That the support which we are giving is we'll provide all the ingredients, masalas, and everything. We'll give support on chef, and we'll give the training for 15 to 20 days for them. And what all support we required, we will be giving it to the franchisee through email or calls, and everything we can provide support to the brand. That means franchisor. That's all. Next slide. Reason what's the reason to take shawarma craving? The investment is very very less when compared to another thing, and as the product is very less, product cost is very less, so everyone is like to buy this product, and it is a very cost effective. Not only cost effective, but it is a good product, and it's a tasty product, and we are using the masalas by our own. All the we are mayonnaise by our own. We are only preparing everything. We are not buying from anything outside, and different types of flavors we will be adding to that, which is the additional thing. And we are having, as this is a food product, we are having the online marketing also, like Swiggy and Zomato, where the most of the sale will be happening. Next slide. The franchises will be paying this franchise fees and the investment, where we will be providing all the setup for everything, like machineries, infrastructure, everything will be taking care of that. And the menu will be updated for every 6 to 12 months, where according to the place and according to the climatic changes, we will be changing the menu so that the customer can enjoy that food very much. And this investment includes the machineries, glow boards, additional kitchen equipment, interior, and the marketing which will be done from our side. Everything will be included with this business franchise. We will be taking care of everything. Actually, next slide. You can. Why choose us? This is the main thing. Why you have to choose us? We have the effective menu, the various franchises that we're having, consistent taste. It's not like one time one taste will be there, and after that another time another taste will be there. There will be a consistent taste which we are following from the past 3 years, which makes our product successful. We are having we'll give the training support, and even after training support, we will give the support to the franchises, so they no need to worry about this concept. Then another thing is the chef also not required some who is having the most chef background. If he's having the little bit knowledge about cooking and all, we can give the training, because all the content which we have to put in the shawarma will become from us. Okay, I can't say totally 100% we will be providing, because it's not possible to provide the 100% from here. Because if you're providing 100%, then you should have the time for which for some products they won't be have more time, more than 2 to 3 days. So for that we need to prepare there itself. That I will be teaching for them when they come for training things. And who for the shelf life, which is having some little more, right? At that I will be providing like masalas. Masalas will have the shelf life for around 4 to 5 days. It will be there. It's not like every day we have to get from me. It's one time if I am providing this 4 to 5 days, easily we can use it. There won't be any change in the taste. And it's not like a whole thing because for each and everything there will be some shelf life. It's not like one day we are using that, means second day it's not fresh because we are using so much of garlic. Garlic is the thing where it increases the shelf life of a product. So we are using the more garlic kind of thing. So the shelf life will be very high. So once we are getting that masala, then we can easily use for 5 to 6 days without any change, even without any single percent of change. We are having the high returns on low investment. How high returns of from low investments we will get, that we will be getting from the next slide. I'm just telling the high returns we will be getting with the low investment. And online offline marketing, as everyone know, who is having, we include Swiggy and Zomato, where around 50% of our sales will happen there in big cities. But the small cities, frankly, 50% of sales won't be happen through Zomato Swiggy, which most of the things will be walk-in. And the best thing is walk-in is the, if once the person is walk-in and if we are giving with good service, then that person will be our customer. Swiggy and Zomato is not like that. The customer, what he likes to eat, he will just search and he will have. If once we build a relationship with the customer, definitely he will be with us for his time. And we will be in the quality high graded ingredient spices. The main thing is masala will be we will provide, and the ingredients which we are using to prepare masala also we will only will prepare. It's not like getting ingredients from the outside and we are just adding that ingredients to the masala and making the masala. Is not like that in our case. We will procure a very raw material and we will grind that. Then we will make that masala ingredients. With that masala ingredients, we will make the masala so that it gives a more tasty than getting a ready-made ingredients from the outside. And how are we different? It's totally a handmade shawarma where, as I told you before, everything is prepared from here. There is nothing like we are buying from the outside ingredients and just adding that into the masala and putting. Totally, we will only prepare the ingredients and we will make the masala, and we won't add any artificial colors to it, which makes looks better and is not have tasty. But it's look good and it has the taste, and it is has the affordable prices so that each and every one, because in cities most of the people will be college students will be there where they will get only the pocket money. They should not feel any burden to have it. So for that purpose, we have started shawarma starting price with 70 rupees itself. That's all. Archana, go to next. Here are the some reviews. I have not typed that because typing we can write anything. So I have just taken a screenshot. This is the random reviews where the customers given. And another thing out of that, you can see right side where the 4.5 is to this shawarma cravings, where you can say that it's a good product to have, and the customer is very happy to have it. 4.5, I feel that it is a reasonable review, which I got in a shawarma, which I got on Google. Okay, next slide. This is the main thing which is required for a person who want to take our shawarma franchise. Why we have to take? What are the profit we are getting? What exactly we will get if we take this your brand? If the person who are having that thing in the mind, these next two slides will be very very important, very information, very informative. As I told you, our shawarma price ranges from 70 to 250 rupees. 70 is the bare minimum size, and 250 is the maximum size. As I told you, 70 rupees everyone. I think that 70 rupees everyone can affordable. Okay, 70 rupees to 250 rupees. What I say, the average billing, minimum billing per day, averagely 8,000. 8,000 minimum, even in a small place where the person don't know about, so this 8,000 can happen. I'm not even telling about cities, it will be 20,000. That is another thing. I'm just telling about the place where only some people shawarma. There also we can do 8,000 per day. As I am living in an Nellore city, when I kept that shawarma, so many people don't know about shawarma. One by one, after coming, they came to know about shawarma and they told their friends with mouth. We have the mostly of mouth of the city only. So I am thinking it is a bare minimum. They don't need to think about whether the 8,000 will happen or not. For that also, I am having answer for that. I am telling about the bare minimum is 8,000 per day. Then your billing will be around 2,40,000 per month. So as it is 8,000 rupees. You may think that every day will be 8,000 will happen or not. Okay, if someday is 5,000 and someday it may be 10,000. So I am taking an average cost of 8,000. For that, your billing will be 2,40,000. But I am taking the expenses cost, for example, chicken cost, masala cost, and these things, total expenses, it will be around 50,000 rupees. That means 50% total billing. I am taking. That means we are having the balance of again 1,00,000 rupees. In that, if you shop, rent, electricity, for around I'm taking 35,000 rupees, you will be having the balance of 85,000 rupees. You will be having the net behind. After that, if you are after my royalty, I'm taking for 3%, which is the least royalty I'm taking. If you are doing a billing of 2,000, then the 7 will be a royalty. The balance 78,000 will be your net. I'm taking 50%. It won't be a 50% also. It will be around 40% only. I'm putting excess. What are the expenses I'm putting? 10% for expenses. You will be even electricity. I'm removed that and I kept only 50% for chicken and mustard. For rent and all, I have to 35,000 rupees and royalty 7,000 rupees. Balance 78,000 rupees will directly goes to your profit. Okay, as this is a small investment, I feel 78,000 is very reasonable profit. And selling 1,000, you get reasonable profit. Even if you are thinking is profit, okay, 78,000, I don't think it's very less. Even if you think 78,000 is less, Archana, go to next slide. Till now, we're talking about shawarma and we are having another products. We didn't talk about that. Okay. We are having 10 type of snacks and 5 types of drinks where you have a 60% of margin for the snacks items. Even if you sell small sale of rupees 1,000 per day, it's just 1,000 rupees per day, then your billing will be 30,000 rupees, where you will get an upfront profit. That means 60% of margin of 30% is 18,000 rupees. You will get directly 18%, 18,000 rupees. In that, if you are after removing the royalty, 15,000 additional profit you will be getting to your pocket directly. Where it includes that for shawarma 78,000 rupees and this 15,000 rupees, totally 93,000 rupees directly goes to your pocket. As I told you, as in the previous slide, 8,000 will happen daily or not. In that 90,000 rupees, even if you remove some 20,000 rupees, then again you are getting a 73,000 rupees profit, where you are investing very less amount, so that the investment which you have kept is easily taken back in 4 to 5 months. But the doing business is like we should do with fire. It's not like definitely it will happen like that, but definitely we have to put our step front. I can give full of support, but definitely you have to be face to the customer, as I won't be there. You have to make delight to the customer. Giving taste to the customer is one thing, but receiving the customer, serving him. I will tell you one example. Uh, Recently, 3 members came to my restaurant. 3 members came to my restaurant. He came as an customer. He came as a customer. Actually, he's not a customer. I will tell. He came as a customer and he ordered, 3 persons ordered single shawarma. And he told me to make that shawarma in 3 parts. Then I have cutted that one shawarma in three pieces. I served with a smile, and I have spoken with him. Now that person called me and he's taking one franchise and he's keeping in Nellore another franchise, which were happily open on January 5th. Just he came to see the taste and how the service is happening in our restaurant. And again, in next month 5th, happily we're gonna open one outlet in Nellore itself. That's the thing. We should serve it happily, and we should make the customer happy. We should interact with the customer. Building the relationship is the main thing in business. Giving a good taste of food is first part, and the second part is we need to give good service to the customer, where he should go and tell to the customer, tell to his friends and family that this place is good. And another point thing is, which I have done personally, in my personal life, I am telling, these are all my experience I'm sharing. And another one person came to my restaurant. I think he's very hungry. So he ordered one shawarma for 250 rupees, which is the heaviest cost that he ordered. With that, he's asked for another shawarma, which cost around 160 rupees. He ordered both things. And I asked anyone is coming with you. He said, no, I'm only gonna have it. Then I told to the customer, sir, you have it one. You take the 250 rupees shawarma as you are hungry. You have it. If you are not satisfied with your hunger, then you order, sir, I will prepare right away and I will serve. Then he told, okay. I served that ghost roll. We have an item which is around 250 rupees. I served that to the customer. After having it, I asked, sir, whether I have prepared. Then he told her, no, boss, I don't want another one. It's very huge, very huge. I did this much of amount you are gonna serve. It is very tasty and very fulfilled. Then he ate only one thing and he went back. As yesterday he came with his family with four members. Then he had then with us. The thing is, we have to give good guidance to the customer whether he can eat it or not. It's not like, okay, he ordered this much of food, okay, we will sell it anyway, we are getting money. That's not, we should not keep that concept in our mind. Even some customers, what they will do, they will order. Because we are having different types of shawarmas like rumali, kubbu, samoli, burger shawarma, like that we are having. Customer don't have awareness what the samoli is, but customer definitely, as this is a different name, he will just tell, sir, I need a samoli special server. He will tell, but he don't know how it will be looks, how it will be taste. So we need to explain to the customer whether this is, it will be like this, you like to have it like that. We need to guide to the customer what customers really want. We need to guide to the customer what customer want. We need to do. It's not like what we have to sell. If you sell with happy and if you sell with correct guidance to the customers should know that we are definitely loyal. He should not think because customers are not that much less talented that whether they can't judge us. Definitely they will judge us. If you are giving two products at a time, he may know that, yes, he knows that just for selling purpose he is selling that. Like that we should not. He should find us we are genuine. He should find out we are giving a good product to the customer. Then only this sale can happen. Only just selling for one customer, if we ask two things, we should not do like that. We should know how what is the capable of he can have. We should not waste any food. That's the main thing we need to keep in our mind. That is the thing, Archana. That's I want to tell about that. And once that get deeper, we will talk about it.
Thank you so much, Shoaib, for this presentation. And I must compliment
Thank you
you
so much.
on, what you talked about customer centricity, and that's,
Yeah.
I would believe, is one of the most important criteria today.
Yeah.
Any business would survive is only if the customers are coming in. So, Shoaib, I'll start with some of
Yeah,
the questions
because
because
the
I do.
family will be coming, ma'am, with the two kids and the two father and mother and two kids will be coming. When they entered in the restaurant, they will be hungry, very much hungry. So whatever they see in the menu, they like to have it. Once they go after eating half of the amount, half of the things, they will feel that, oh, we have ordered a heavy. Like that, they should not feel. They should not feel cheated because we know know how much they can eat because we are doing daily activity, daily we are doing, so that we know how much a person can have. According, I will tell you another thing. Some customers, they will call me and they will ask what they have to eat. Brother, what shall I order today? In Swiggy, Zomato, while they're ordering, they call me before and they, "Well, what shall I order today?" Then I will ask, "Sir, you had the dinner or what?" Ah, no, Ray, I didn't have dinner. Then you take this, sir. It will be fine. Ah, okay, I'll order that. He will order in, for ordering Swiggy and Zomato, he will call me and he will take my concern. Then you think how much relationship I have built with them. Like
Absolutely.
that,
And you're very hands-on right
definitely, ma'am.
from.
In a business relationship is the first priority. Then only taste. Business, we have to keep that relationship. When relationship will come, when you will giving the good taste. If we are giving, they have to treat us as a brother. They have to trust on us. Then only how will we trust our parents? How will we trust on our brothers? Like that, customers should trust on us. Then only sale will happen.
Absolutely.
Main
And good customer
thing
will
in
also reach
business.
out to other clients which they make for you to come in. Okay, I'll take some questions, which are coming from
Yeah,
the audience.
definitely.
So we have seen the overall business model, and just to
Yeah.
reiterate, because I saw some of our viewers joining in late. So, and this is a brand called Shawarma Craving from Nellore, and they've been running this for the last 3 odd years. It's a very small investment where about 2 lakhs is the investment towards the equipment and the infrastructure. Another 2 lakhs is the investment or towards the franchise fees. So, Shoaib, if you can just explain, between the 2 lakhs franchise fees is what somebody would give you, and the balance 2 lakhs, what kind of investment would that be, and what all is included in the balance 2 lakhs? And also, if we can talk about the area and size of the outlet, because we didn't see a mention of that in the presentation. So, कितना बड़ा area होना चाहिए उसके लिए, और ये जो 2 लाख का
Yeah.
investment है, apart from franchise fee, उसका typical breakup क्या रहता है?
Okay. 2 lakhs is a franchise fee. 2 lakh franchise fees हो जाएगा. And remaining in 2 lakhs, okay, we are giving the machinery. Shawarma machinery is little bit higher cost. So shawarma machine we will be providing. We will providing little interior. We are not providing huge interior. Okay, this is the shawarma craving where somebody has tried to start a business and get success in life. And every interior will make a simple interior. Okay, where nowadays have a, so everyone likes to take selfies with when they come to friends. So little bit interior we will be doing, and kitchen setup, where kitchen setup. And another thing is in shawarma we will give a very hot shawarma. It's not like I had where shawarma will be almost cool. Okay, in our place cool item nobody will accept. Nobody likes to have a cool item. Everyone likes to have a hot item. So we will make an arrangement where the shawarma will be served very hot as customer required. For that thing, we need some machineries. We will be buying in that machineries. We will having the glow light. Okay, we won't keep the normal board because a little bit advertisement is definitely required. At least customer has to know whether this shawarma is selling here. So we'll put in the glow light and some 3 to 4 chairs we will be providing when customer comes to have for waiting purpose, or if you have here itself for if you want to hang up. Okay, for that we'll provide some basic things we will be providing, which which will cover in the 2 lakhs rupees. And square feet is little square 100 square feet is enough for making this. And it's preferred that to have some front empty place where we can front empty place. I think you got some for example, key points and all. You can find out some front space will be available outer than restaurant, where customers can sit. They can have like that place. If it's having, then 100 square feet is enough, man. If you want to take that dining inside, then little bit bigger, some around 250 square feet is required.
Okay, and then
That's
we
the
also
thing.
talked about sale of about close to 8,000. So, how many outlets are we currently running? And you also mentioned you are coming up with few more locations. So, overall put together, what are the outlets we are doing?
Yeah,
And the 8,000 assumption is based on your current
right
sales
now,
from.
Can you repeat again, ma'am?
You talked about an average of about 8,000 odd sales every day, which is happening. So is that assumption based from your current sales, which is happening from your outlets? And second is where all you have your
Yes,
presence
ma'am.
in,
Current
because you
sales,
mentioned.
ma'am. No, ma'am. Right now, I'm having only one only. Right now, I'm running with my own thing only. That is my personal experience. That 8,000 rupees. By seeing that, now another outlet I'm going to open on January 5th. January 5th, another outlet will get open here. And we are planning another outlet in Tirupati. Right now, these two leads are there with me. In Tirupati, some of my friends like to open in Tirupati. And another thing is Balaji. Right now, it's not yet open. And it's get open on 5th in Nellore. One thing will be open on 5th. And sometime date was not fixed in what date in Tirupati we are going to fix. But customer is definitely they are going to open. We are working on Tirupati thing because Tirupati is newly I have received that lead. This Nellore thing is some around 1.5 months it is there with me.
Sure. And
In Tirupati.
you want to show the menu, because we have request of menu. If that is handy with you, can we present a menu also? If we can do that now. I have something which I checked on Zomato. If you want, I can even place that, and maybe quickly you can just run
Yeah,
viewers
sure.
through the menu.
Yes,
So I think this is what I could capture from.
yes, ma'am. Sure.
Yeah.
This is the what the shawarmas we are having. If you see the burger shawarma, which is a very less amount, 70 rupees. That 70 rupees is bare minimum cost which having for the burger shawarma. As we are not giving the much interior, much things, so we need to keep rates very minimal. So we can get more profit if you are keeping less value because the customer who likes to have two, if it is a high value, he will sufficient with one. So we are keeping the less for 70 rupees burger shawarma you are getting. Rumali chicken shawarma, 100 rupees. In that Rumali chicken shawarma, you will be getting some veggies. Okay. And this special shawarma, there won't be any veggies. So 120 rupees. Only the difference you can see, only 20 rupees. So that mostly the customer will order for special shawarma because only because of this 20 rupees, you will think, okay, 20 rupees, hai na, chalo, specially order kar lete hain. This you can think only 20 rupees. But if you are calculating this 20 rupees for overall 1 month, that 20 rupees will give a huge value. Like that Rumali shawarma plate where you will be served with two Rumalis and chicken stuff. No, ma'am, this is an old. You can
Okay.
go to the previous one.
All right. So this is
We have
your
changed
annual
that
menu.
menu.
Okay.
As I told you, this is our menu, ma'am.
Great. And these are some food shots. A lot of
Okay, you
viewers wanted to also see what kind of food we do. So I think these were some of the shots which I could take out from your Facebook page, which includes burger as well as rolls, the shawarma rolls. So friends,
yes,
this
ma'am.
is
Yeah, yeah.
great. Actually, I'll take some questions. एक तो food हमारे जो operating expenses हैं, you reflected upon them. You said about 50% of the expenses towards certain maybe that includes outside rent. There's another 50% cost. So उसमें food cost कितना होता है, and which is the other expense one has to make. अगर हम पूरी costing की बात करते हैं. दूसरा जो आपने supply बोला, you said some of the supplies go from you. Sauces हो गए आपके, and there's some masalas which you do. So how does this
No,
supply
ma'am.
chain?
Sauces and all, I will be giving training because to be a friend, sauce can't be more than 1 or 2 days. Okay, that daily to serve is not a possible thing. Is I can't tell that okay, I will give sauce and all, you will get daily. I will provide. Actually, that's not a practical thing. It's not going to happen practically because every day sending to that outlet is not a practical thing. So the things which will have the less shelf life, that I will be giving training. That's not take even 15 to 20 minutes also for preparation. For preparation, it won't take even 10 to 15 minutes also. That things I will be teaching to the chef directly. And another, because why I am teaching means sometimes sauce may get over. Customers will may be huge. That he may forget to procure with us. There may be some delay. there may be some due to some rainy effects and some climatical changes, may be some problem because in cool climate or in a rainy day, sales will be very high when compared to summer. The shawarma item. So I will teach how much I can teach. Okay, so that they can do by themselves. The masala items and rest things I will provide from here because shelf life for the masala will be little bit higher when compared to the mayonnaise and sauces. For that, I will provide to the customer. That's the thing.
Okay, and Isme, how much would be the food cost for us?
Food cost will be 50% will be the food cost. Man. That's what I'm taking. The 50% totally I have to actually 50%. In 50%, you can take the electricity, rent, everything will come in 50% only. But I have not included that. I just have included 50% for food cost, which is very high. Actually, 40% will be the food cost. Just the 60%. In the 60%, 10% electricity. That like that for me personally, it's happening. But I am telling in a heavy like that 50%. More than 50%, it won't cross. Maybe less than 50%. If it is less than 50%, client also happy. If it goes more than 50%, he may think that in the audio he told that 50%. Now the cost is coming around 60%. Like that he may think. So genuinely I'm telling 50% is the food cost and remaining thing will be the around 35,000 to 40,000 will be the another maintenance to make cost.
But in food business, just for our audience, I would like to mention that there is in a QSR, especially takeaway kind of joints, like a shawarma points.
Okay.
Shawarma point. This you have to very consciously do that. There is a food cost technically would be 40% ideally. You should have a rental which should not be more than 15%. Your utility should not be more than 6%. Your HR should not be more than 10%. So all that piece together should be around 70% total, and 30% is left. Out of that, you give royalties, and balance is your return on sales. So a typical QSR is about 20% return on sales. But these days, you have to be conscious because a lot of delivery happens, and delivery platforms also charge money. So then your pricing and structure has to work out in a manner that you're able to do this piece. So it's very, very important to really see through. Because it's also value, that's why it drives. A lot of people come repeatedly and purchase, but it is also prices are low, so the food cost is also going to be a little high. And it is all protein. Chicken is a commodity, so it has to be a certain amount of price which would come. But it is a low-cost franchise model which is built. Low-cost franchise model because it doesn't take. It just takes a good shawarma equipment, a little bit of 2 or 3 under counters. Where you freeze your storage can happen. It's 150 square feet of format, very scalable, but don't take higher rental locations. Take a very busy locations where people are moving, so they can come and quickly grab the food, and that kind of locations do very well. And if you have a little bit parking area where people can park cars and can be delivered, or you can have some little outside area where you can have some sitting or standing tables, the throughput becomes much better in doing it. Over to you, Sonia.
Patients, will you be considering?
Definitely, we have to do. Hello.
Sure. Shubhji, what locations are you considering at this point in time? कहाँ expand कर सकते हैं? Because I'm seeing some inquiries, locations like Rajamundry. We have somebody from Jammu also, which is 2 up north. So which locations are your immediate priority cities?
Immediate priority as this AP and Telangana is fine, ma'am. And in Tamil Nadu, Chennai is very near to me. When even compared to Hyderabad, Chennai is very, very near to me. Just 180 kilometers only. So Chennai, Hyderabad, Vijayawada, Warangal, up to Hyderabad, I can. It is very good. And another thing, as the sir told, so Swiggy and Zomato, we need to give commission. Definitely, we need to give commission. And frankly, telling the rates which are there in restaurants are slightly different in Zomato and Swiggy, because we need to pay around 26% to Zomato and Swiggy. If you are selling for 100 rupees, we need to give 26 rupees to the Swiggy and Zomato. That's practically it won't, because after that we have to put our material cost. If you are selling for
Yeah.
100 rupees, for 1 hour 100 rupees we are selling one shawarma, for 100 rupees we will get only 74 rupees we will get after commission. Okay, in that if we have to give the material cost, okay, material cost we have to calculate on 100, because 50% we are for the material cost. That means 50 we have to remove from again 75. Again we have only 24 rupees, where in 24 rupees we have to pay the rent, electricity, and which is not at all a practical thing. For what rate we are selling in the menu rate, we can't sell in the Swiggy and Zomato. So slightly we will be increasing. It's not like we should not put everything on a customer. Little bit we need to bear, and little bit customer definitely has to bear. That's the
Very important point, and that's why a lot of joints have not been able to survive, because if they lower the price, you cannot do it. It should be a takeaway outlet, a lot of direct delivery also. And if you want to do the platforms, create another menu and put a little bit higher pricing, that you're at least 20,
because
20.
sir, for if you are having good taste, no sir, customer are ready to pay some 10 to 15 rupees. If it's having good food for 100 rupees, they're filling their stomach. What's more required?
Absolutely. Any further questions you want to take, Sonia, on the location and pieces?
Locations we have taken. Shoaib ji, we have some of the interest which is coming in. People would like to speak to you, and we are sharing, friends, for all of your hotline number where you can call, and we can in fact connect with all of them. And there's some other questions. Maybe I'll see if I can take any other question which we might have missed out.
Any
Yeah, definitely.
any date we will like to fix, which we would like to have a maybe one-on-one discussion. People can come to your joint, try the food. That the best thing you can do in a food franchise, actually go to a site, try the food, see the proprietary recipes. He's a young startup. We wanted to bring in a young startups also because they are very promising, hardworking, they sport to regularly. And also he's made a model which is a low cost model, because a lot of inquiries were coming to us and they people wanted in a small cost. So this fits the bill. But you need to be very clear that what site you want to do, and also in food you need to be operator, you need to participate yourself. Any last Soeb, you want to say anything to our audience? आप कुछ कहना चाहते हैं हमारी audience के लिए?
Definitely, sir. Sir, I can give support, but I can't do everything. Genuinely, because every franchisor meter, sir, मैं दे दूंगा. आप कुछ भी मत करो, सिर्फ काउंटर में बैठो. Like that, the person who is having that mentality, they no need to come. The person who have fired to win, okay, I can give 70%. He has to come 30%. Sir, you have franchise, no, sir, you told that everything you will be done. Like that won't happen with us. Because if I give like that, the quality of the product will change, because transit time will be there. After that, he will keep there for 1 or 2 days. Definitely, the quality will get changed. By that, he has no profit. I don't get any profit. Even that, I get a loss of getting a damage to my name. So at least they should have 30% of fire to win this race. That should be having. And another thing, yesterday I was thinking, when I meet you both, till January 31st, I won't take any royalty. Who will get logged till January 31st for entire 1 year. That's
Very
the
good.
thing, as a happy new year for the new year, and which I made the Maurya sir and you. I'm very happily. Yesterday I was thinking that when I meet them, when I talk with them, then just to release it. I didn't even told this to Swapna. I even kept confidential with Swapna. So directly I want to tell to you.
No, thank you very much. It's a very good offer. He's giving
So
one.
no royalty for just 1 year.
Very good. This is a good offer.
That's the
Thank
thing
you.
I want to.
You're encouraging a lot of like-minded entrepreneurs like you who want to work hard, make a career, take life.
Because who is having, who are like to take it 4 lakh investment, that means they won't have much money. They are not that much financially fit, who are taking this 4 lakh franchises. So I want to give more to them, so that they should, because for 1 year, in first 1 or 2 months, it's not like rakte ekdam bad gaya business. Like that, no business will happen. Even if Ambani ki also, it won't happen like that. So because for 3 to 4 months there will be a low business, we should not think, nothing is happening. We have taken the wrong decision. It's not like that, because customer has to know, they have to come, they have to visit. One customer will tell to another customer, two customers, the two customers will tell to another two customers, whole customers. We need to give good, happily we have to give. Even if a customer, they will come 4 to 5 persons, they will come, they will take only one shawarma. They will thinking, hey, what? 4 members came one shawarma. We should not think like that. They may be testing us. They will take one shawarma. After having it, they will have 4 shawarma again. Because they don't know how the product will, how we are giving the product. No customer want to waste money. So firstly, he wants to taste. We'll have one bite tray. If it is nice, we will order more. Like that only people are thinking. Like that, they will order one shawarma only. Later, they will ask 4 or 5. They will take even parcels. Even for one shawarma, for 10 shawarma, how we are giving smile. For one shawarma, also we have to give him smile. We should have more patience in business. More patience is required, then it will happen. That's the thing, sir, from my side.
Absolutely. And it's a good way. And you're honest entrepreneur working very hard. We wish you very, very good future. And especially for this coming new year, you expand your business. Other business owners जो आप जैसे हैं, जो मेहनत करके अपना काम शुरू करते हैं, उनको भी आप help establish करने में. It's a good job to really help others also get into business. So thank you very much for coming in. We would look forward to working with you very closely.
Thank you for giving time, sir, for speaking with me.
Absolutely.
And Sonia,
and
thank you so much.
Friends, I will also like to remind all of you, if you're not registered so far, we are doing this top franchise 2021 tomorrow and day after. It's 20 different brands which we've handpicked for doing it. So please go out and register yourself right away so that you don't miss the slot. There's a limited slots available for these 2 days. And if you're interested in different opportunities, it's a creation of about 20 different brands which we are bringing. It's a best of best being presented tomorrow and day after, same time, 12 to 1, both days. Over to you, Sonia, for your last.
Thank you. Then we'll also share with you a link. We've also received many inquiries to send the link, and you can also go on the Facebook page of Franchise India to get the link. And these opportunities are across all major industries, including education, retail, health, wellness, and also food. And comparatively, little longer sessions because we're bringing these brands who would spend about maybe 10 minutes each on explaining, and they would be open for Pan India, I'm sure. So we would request all of you to join and understand the options available. And thank you so much, Shoaib, for coming in. And we'll have one of the days in the coming week where we can rather have our prospective investors speak to you. In fact, I have an inquiry which I'm seeing right in front of my screen from Mr. Kareem Mohammed. In fact, he sent multiple requests for a call with you. So we'll try and align if you have time today where we can get you connected with him. And thank you so much for coming in today. And I think we really value the honest advice and feedback that you have given to all the prospective investors you've addressed today. Thank you so much. Okay. Over to you, Archana.
Being genuine is the key for success.
Absolutely. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Shoaib, for joining in today. We really want to wish you a very happy new year. Thank you so much, our panel member. Thank you so much, dear participants. Thank you, sir. Dear participants, thank you so much for joining in today. Please get in touch with us at our business hotline number, which is 97176-83838. Do write to us, share your suggestions, your feedback at the same business hotline number, because that will definitely help us in serving you in the best of the manner. You can connect with us, join us at the Facebook page of Franchise India Brands Limited to watch all the previously brands webinars as well as different summits. You can write to franchise management team of Franchise India at their respective LinkedIn IDs, join them. And as rightly said by Gaurav sir and Sonia ma'am, we invite you for 2 big days where we are inviting and representing top 20 business opportunities. You can join us, understand the business and financials model each brand is presenting for each one of you. At the same business hotline number, you can book your slot. Hello. So that for both the days, 31st and 1st of January, you can join us. Thank you once again for joining me today. Have a great day ahead. Keep very good care of yourself. Thank you so much.
Thank you, friends. Look forward to seeing you all tomorrow and day after. Thank you.